guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn if you're new here, and I make new lifestyle videos every week. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my 5 favorite self-tan items, and then I'll actually throw in another face one that was in a previous video and let you know how that one worked out for me. Spoiler alert, it wasn't the greatest, but we'll talk about that in a minute. So let's go ahead and get started with the self-tan products for your body. So I try to avoid getting too much sun exposure. I'm really good about my sunscreen, or I have been lately. So I self-tan usually about once a week. Sometimes I skip a week, just depends. Obviously I exfoliate and things like that between self-tans. But my OG favorites have always been the brand Bondi Sands. I have been actually getting this brand since before it was even available in the United States. I had a friend from Australia send it over my way, but now it's here. You can order it from their website, or you can actually pick it up at Walgreens too. My first one is the Ultra Dark Foam. This is their classic foam formula. I usually put this one on first, and then I do another layer of the Ultra Dark Aero, which is the quick dry formula, and it's actually the darkest one that they sell. So I will do a layer of each of these. Foams is my favorite formula or way to apply self-tan, just because I find it is the easiest. I put it on the little glove, is it called? Mitt. I put it on the little mitt, and I just put it on my body, let it dry, put this one on, and call it a day. So these are my 2 OG favorites and my go-tos. Like I said, I have been repurchasing this for years and years because I have been purchasing it since before Bondi was even available in the United States. 2 of my more recent self-tan purchases are actually this Sunless RX. This is from a local business here in Chicago called Glow Up. This is a self-tan spray mist, and it's like organic, paraben free. It's actually good for your skin. I will say, I'm the worst ever, you know this if you follow me on Instagram, when it comes to applying self-tans that come in a spray. This one is a super fine mist, but I just always make a mess, and it's just not a good scenario. So spray self-tans are really hard for me to use. I do prefer the foam, but lately I've been still experimenting with this one. I really like the color and I really like the formula, so what I've just been doing is spraying it onto the mitt and then applying it to my body the same way I would do with the foam. So it works out. This one's a little bit of a lighter color, a little bit more natural. So if you're looking for a medium tan, I would go with something like this, and they're all super affordable. They're all $30 or less. The last self-tan product I have for my body is these Isle of Paradise self-tanning drops, and this is kind of like my daily gradual tanner. I'll just mix a few of these drops in with my body lotion every day to maintain my glow in between my like full-on self-tan session. I use the purple ones. These are their dark ones. They do have 2 lighter formulas. I tried the blue one, which is like the medium one, and it just didn't work out for the undertones of my skin. This one just looks more natural on me. But like I said, this is just like my daily gradual. I just mix it in with my regular body lotion to kind of keep that even flow to get me through until my next fake tan day. All right, moving on to the face. So for the longest time, I wouldn't self-tan my face because my face skin is super sensitive. So I was not using anything. And then I did order one product, which was a self-tan drop. We'll talk about that later. And they just didn't really work out for me. So I got another product. This is the 5th and final one of my favorite self-tan products. And this is also from the same local brand called Glow Up. And it's the Belle, Luce maybe? Anti-aging medium natural tan. This is a face self-tanning gel, so it actually has skincare benefits built into it. It is a darker product. All of these products have a color guide in it, which makes it easier to apply, but I like this one because one, it has the anti-aging and the skincare benefits too, but it actually doesn't dye my baby hairs. So if you are light hair colored like I am, you know, anytime you put self-tan products like near your hairline, it will often dye those baby hairs, and those baby hairs are very quick to turn orange. So this is my favorite for my face. I only use this one usually like once or twice a week. I do it on my like full self-tan day, and then I'll do it usually one more if my tan is fading from washing my face. The last product that I wanted to touch on was one that is not one of my 5 favorites, but it is one that I tried out and was in my in one of my haul videos, one of my quarantine haul videos, and these are the Tan Luxe The Face Anti-Age Drops. So these work similar to the Isle of Paradise drops where you just mix them in with your face moisturizer. These are the light to medium ones. I didn't know that they had two different colors. These are just the ones that I ordered from QVC. But this kind of gives me more of an orange tint than I prefer, so not really here for that. They are still easy to use. And this definitely dyes my baby hair, so I will always have like that orange ring where my baby hairs are from using this product. So not a huge fan. I do want to try the other color, see if it's kind of like the same scenario as the Isle of Paradise drops, where like the light to medium one just doesn't work for my skin undertones. But that is all of my self-tan products. Obviously my 5 favorites, and then this one that I was trying out that just was kind of a miss for me. But definitely recommend trying them if, one, you want to reduce your sun exposure and you still want that golden glow, because they all are super natural. Bondi actually has a ton of other products, so if you're looking for something less dark or a different undertone, they have that too. And like I said, they're all super affordable. Everything here I got for under $30 pretty much. So that is all I have for you today. I will see you next week with a new video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you real soon.